Hello future doctors, welcome to Dipenism. I am Dr. Dipen Shah and we are discussing the tricky 3 MCQ for your AIIMS exam, and the pattern we are discussing is assertion and reasoning type of MCQs. Now the first MCQ, assertion statement, states that all eutherians are placental mammals, and the reason for that is all placental mammals have menstrual cycle. Now understand that definitely all eutherians are placental mammals. Now mammals have been classified into 3 categories, that is eutherians, metatherians and prototherians. So eutherians are placental, metatherians are pouched mammals which are known as marsupials, and prototherians are egg-laying mammals which are certain exceptions in the class Mammalia. So assertion statement is correct. Now all placental mammals have menstrual cycle. This statement is totally incorrect. The menstrual cycle is characteristic of only primates, that is apes, monkeys and humans, whereas in other placental mammals there is also presence of estrous cycle and menstrual cycle is not present. So in this case the assertion statement is correct, but the reason is totally an incorrect statement, and hence it is not going to be the correct explanation also. So one assertion is tick mark, but the reason is incorrect, hence the right option you have to mark in this case is option C. Coming to the next MCQ, after fertilization corpus luteum is stable till parturition. Definitely after fertilization corpus luteum is an essential structure formed in the ovary because that secretes progesterone, and that has to be maintained till parturition or delivery of the child. Also the reason explained for that is after 3 months of intrauterine life it dominantly secretes progesterone. Then remember future doctors that after 3rd month of pregnancy, that is the intrauterine life, the role of progesterone secretion is mainly taken over by placenta and not by corpus luteum. Thus in this case the assertion statement is correct, but the reason statement is totally false. Hence here the correct option will be option C. Moving to the next MCQ, which is a very important one, where it suggests that the distal centriole acts as a basal granule. Now distal and proximal centriole are part of the sperm cell present in its neck region. So it is suggesting that distal centriole acts as a basal granule. Then it's a correct statement. The distal centriole produces the axial filament, and that gives rise to mainly the flagella part. Hence it is acting as a basal granule or the basal body. The reason suggests that distal centriole induces cleavage in egg. Now as such cleavage process occurs in the zygote, or they should have mentioned fertilized egg, and also this cleavage process is mainly occurring because of the proximal centriole and not the distal centriole. So in this case the reason statement is totally incorrect, that they mentioned distal centriole induces cleavage. So again the assertion statement is correct, but reason is an incorrect statement, so we are marking option C. So these are the tricky 3 MCQ for your AIIMS exam. Thank you from Dipenism.